This is the crest on one of the gates of the Iolani Palace. This is the Coronation Pavilion that was used for the coronation of King Kalakaua and Queen Iolani on February 12, 1883. Today, the Royal Hawaiian Band can be seen playing near the Coronation Pavilion and is also used for the inauguration of the governors of the state of Hawaii.
This is the last palace of the king and his sister, who became queen upon his death. Beautiful architecture, isn't it?
The Iolani Palace was the royal residence of the rulers of the Kingdom of Hawaii, beginning with Kamehameha III under the Kamehameha dynasty and ending with Queen Lily under the Kalakaua dynasty, founded by her brother, King David Kalakaua. This is the only palace that is in the United States. Iolani Barracks was built in 1870, located directly adjacent to Iolani Palace in downtown Hawaii. It housed about 80 members of the monarch's royal guard until the overthrow of the monarchy in 1893. Washington Place was where Queen Lily was arrested during the overthrow of the Hawaiian Kingdom. Later, it became the official residence of the governor of Hawaii.